The International Space Station, or ISS for short, is an artificial construction in space in order to do research in low Earth orbit. This is by far the most expensive man-made structure that ever built, costing approximately $100 billion. In October 1998, Zarya, the first module of the ISS, was launched. After 10 years of construction, consisting 30 missions, the biggest satellite finally completed. Because the ISS orbits the Earth low orbit, which is only about 400 kilometers from the surface, we sometimes can observe it from the ground. ISS moves at a speed of about 27,000 kilometers per hour, rotating the Earth around 15 times a day. Which means that it travels to the Moon every single day. The International Space Station can carry 7 astronauts at full capacity, and it always have human there for research and operation. For a 6 months mission, the crew of 7 astronauts need nearly 8 tons of food. The ISS has a mass of approximately 400,000 kilograms, length of 73 meters and width of 100 meters. Until now, the ISS has traveled about 5.6 billion kilometers around our Earth. The station runs mainly on solar power, powered by 4 massive passive panels. Each wing is the largest ever deployed in space, using nearly 33,000 solar arrays. When fully extended, each is 35 meters in length and 12 meters in width. The ISS orbits at a 51.6-degree inclination around Earth. This angle covers 90% of the populated area of Earth. The ISS orbits Earth 16 times per day, so astronauts can see 16 sunrises and 16 sunsets each day. During the daylight periods, temperatures reach 200 degrees Celsius, while temperatures during the night periods drop to -200 degrees Celsius. Astronauts on the station experience weightlessness. The gravitational acceleration is only 2 to 1,000 micro-g. To travel to the International Space Station, it costs you around $20 to $25 million each person. Until now, only 8 visitors have traveled to the station.